How to add extra tip in Grubhub app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Grubhub app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to add extra tip into your orders, you need to go to your order page. First of all, you can order any foods from here. Let's say I'll order something from Maddie's Mini Mart. You can select your preferred food to order. Add it to your orders. Once you are done, you can see this view order option at the bottom. Tap on it. It will take you to your order page. Now over here, this is where you can add extra tip into your orders. At the bottom, you can see this section where you can add a tip. There are different options like 5%, 8%, 10% and 12% of your order. If you want to customize your tips, you can see this custom option. Tap on it. If I want to tip $1 only, I'll simply edit it like this. And once you're done, you can tap on this OK button. And there you go. You can now proceed to your checkout process. And your extra tip will be successfully added into your orders. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.